Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Monopoly Go. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open Monopoly Go application from your app drawer. Also make sure to sign into your account like you normally do. After you're inside your game, tap on the menu button appearing at the top right hand corner. Now, tap on Settings. Now, tap on your profile picture appearing at the top and select an avatar from the options displayed on the screen. Tap on it and then tap on Save in order to change your profile picture on Monopoly Go. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.